Okay, we're just doing an overview of a DesignJet 500 series plotter. Actually got a DesignJet 500 Plus in front of us with the covers off, and just run through the various components. Got here the bids assembly, or commonly referred to as the tubes assembly, which actually carries the ink from the ink supply station, which houses the ink here, all the way round through there and to the carriage, to the actual print heads on the carriage, which are located down there. Okay, and so we've seen the carriage assembly itself, and coming over to the left hand side of the machine you see the cutter, and the electronics module housed there with the power supply just beneath it. Obviously a common maintenance item to be replaced. Got the carriage belt there, along with the trailing cable there, which carries electronic signal from the electronics module plugged in there up to the carriage. And what we'll do is we'll just start a test print on the machine just to show it working. Hear that fan starting up. So it's the vacuum fan that holds the paper down flat onto the plaiting here. That's actually the service station on the machine, another common maintenance item, as it acts as a spittoon on this machine as well. So it tends to get filled up with ink. Occasionally you might see a machine that hasn't been serviced for some time, and that will actually overflow and you'll see ink rolling down the right hand leg of the machine. Okay, this is just a concrete block that we're producing here. Carriage whizzing backwards and forwards. What we've actually done to achieve this is actually there's a sensor there. You can see the sensor arm, and we just jammed a little bit of card up there just to override that sensor so we can run it with the covers off. As you see, this is a 4-ink system running at 600 by 1200 maximum DPI. Just going over to the cutter and chopping it to length. And coming down the right hand side of the machine shows the service station on a side view. See, it caps and uncaps the print heads, stops them from drying out. The primary function of that is to stop the print heads from drying out and also to clean them. There's little wiper blades on it. From the back of the machine, we've got a roll loaded on the spindle there. We'll take up to a 50-metre roll on this machine. You do see some modifications where people have straddled something down onto the legs to load larger rolls, like 100-metre rolls. Not a good idea, it just overloads the whole x-axis of the machine, so not something that's advised. And we see plugged into the back of the electronics module there. We've got the GL2 card, which on this machine is a standard feature, and we've got the Jet Direct card, the network card, which is an option on this machine. Then we'll come around a little bit further. Got the old parallel connection and USB connection there. that's about it for the DesignJet 500 series. I say all of the 500 series are pretty much the same, so that would be the, let's wait for that to cut. That would be a DesignJet 500, 510, 500 plus, all pretty much identical.